clear that his ultimate sacrifice was undertaken in relation to the Tibetan national cause. He called upon Tibetans to remain united in their struggle, stating that the loss of Tibet's independence is the root of all our problems, and urged continued commitment to the Tibetan national cause. While we honor his courage and unwavering devotion, we join the Central Tibetan administration in reaffirming that human life is precious, especially when it is a Tibetan life, because we are not many, and must be preserved. Human life must be preserved to sustain the long-term struggle of Tibet. We urgently appeal to all Tibetans everywhere to cherish life, even in the face of immense suffering and repression. Tsogyalangze's passing comes amid grave and escalating concerns over the situation inside Tibet, including the implementation of the People's Republic of China's ethnic unity and progress law on July 1st. This legislation has been widely reported as further entrenching policies of forced assimilation, including restriction of Tibetan language, religion, cultural expression, and Tibetan identity. Loga was the first known self-immolation by a Tibetan in the Western world. But since 2009, more than 160 Tibetans have self-immolated inside Tibet, with some cases reported also in exile communities. And that began with the first recorded protest by monk Taipei in Amdo, Tibet. That was the first recorded. We don't know how much unrecorded sacrifices have been made. These acts reflect the depth of despair and urgency felt by Tibetans under ongoing repression for the decades. We recognize that Lokwa Rangsen joins those who have made the ultimate sacrifice to draw global attention to the ongoing crisis facing the Tibetan people under the policies of the People's Republic of China. These policies continue to contribute to a deep and systematic erosion of Tibetan identity, language, culture, and freedom. We extend